Mastering, Cutting and Pasting, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that you've likely heard before: cutting and pasting. These phrases are not just about scissors and glue. They have taken on new meanings in the digital world. Let's explore what these terms mean and how you can use them in everyday language. Whether you're writing an email, working on a document, or chatting with friends online, understanding these terms will definitely come in handy. Originally, cutting and pasting were terms used in the context of physical materials. To cut something meant to literally slice it with scissors or another sharp tool. Pasting, on the other hand, involves sticking pieces of paper or photographs onto a surface using glue or paste. This method was commonly used in creating collages, scrapbooks, or in the editorial process of arranging manuscript pages. In the digital age, cutting and pasting have taken on new life in the context of computers and digital content. Cutting now refers to the action of removing text, images, or files from one location with the intention to move it. When you cut something on your computer or smartphone, it temporarily disappears, waiting to be pasted somewhere else. Pasting is the action of placing the previously cut content into a new location. Whether you're working in a word processor, an email, or navigating files on your computer, pasting allows you to move content from one place to another with ease. Understanding how to effectively use cutting and pasting can streamline your work and communication. Here's a quick guide. To cut, select the text or file you wish to move. Right-click, or use a keyboard shortcut, like Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on Mac, and choose Cut. To paste, navigate to where you want the content to go. Right-click again, or use Ctrl+V on Windows, Command+V on Mac, and select Paste. These actions are fundamental in editing work, organizing files, and sharing information across different platforms. Editing documents. Quickly rearrange paragraphs or images in your document. Organizing files. Efficiently move files between folders on your computer. Sharing information. Easily copy text or images from the web and paste them into an email or document. Tip: use Copy, Ctrl+C or Command+C, instead of Cut, if you want to leave the original content in place and create a duplicate elsewhere. We hope this guide has illuminated the useful world of cutting and pasting for you. These actions are more than just digital commands. They're essential tools for navigating the digital world. Whether you're working on a project, organizing your files, or crafting a message, mastering cutting and pasting can make your digital life much more efficient. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language journey in our next video. Happy learning!